It's 8 a.m. This is Peoria, Arizona, suburb of Phoenix. I've been riding for, I don't know, about a half hour, maybe a little bit more, and it's time for me to get some more coffee. Okay, the trike is all fueled up with coffee. Let's hit the road. It's such a beautiful, beautiful day, and especially so for someone like me who's just getting over a cold. And yes, it was an ordinary, run-of-the-mill, everyday, common head cold. And I know about them. I've had a lot of them. I used to be a teacher. Well, let's see, it's Sunday, and I started feeling kind of a scratchy throat on Monday, and I just felt terrible on Tuesday and Wednesday, and just started to recover a couple days ago, and now I can actually breathe. Oh, this weather is just so nice to be out in. One of the benefits of recovering from a cold is your taste buds start coming back. Everything was tasting like cardboard for a long time. And this morning, oh, the coffee tasted great. As usual, I packed my lunch, stopped at the park. I didn't eat all of it, but what I did eat, the tastier stuff, was just wonderful. Did some stretching too. In a long life, I've been sick a few times, and I've stared at ceilings at intensive care, and I just don't like that. I'd rather be outside. I've talked to a lot of people about what their vision of heaven must be, and I can tell you what mine is. This, riding my recumbent trike. Okay, we're coming up on Desert Cove. I just love the name of this street. And it's got a park at the end of it. I think if you look way down there, you can kind of see it. Hang on, we'll be there in a few minutes. Stay with me. Wow, I feel good. And you know, I knew that I would. Okay, here's the entrance to Sundance Park. Coming around the parking lot. Still early in the morning. There are not a lot of people out. It's Sunday, so they'll be out later, going to church, things like that. I'll be home. Hey, there's somebody pushing a perambulator. Well, thanks for riding along with me this morning. Let's do this again sometime.